Hey everyone, Mitchell from mitchellgould.com, and today we're going to do a quick video on the LinkedIn ad library. So this is a great tool to see what competitors are doing on LinkedIn ads and to see what other industries are doing for their creative and their ad messaging on LinkedIn. So let's take a look. If you go to linkedin.com/ad-library/home, I'll put that in the description link of this video. There's a few fields here that you can use to start your search. So you can search a company if you know the name of the company that you want to see, if they're advertising on LinkedIn and what their ads look like. You can also search by keyword. So I'll pull up a few examples of that along with the country and the date. So first, since I'm going to be advertising in the United States, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and select the United States for my country. And for the date, let's do it last 30 days, day range, to see the most recent ads. So one way to do this, say you're a SaaS company in the HR space and your competitor is, let's say, Bamboo HR. You can do a search there and it will give you all the different ads in the last 30 days based off this criteria. So it's saying there's 318 ads that match your search criteria. And if you scroll down, it's gonna continue to, load if you keep just scrolling. So it's a lot of, data here, but you can get a sense of, the messaging, the headline, and kind of the general approach on what Bamboo HR is targeting. If you click view details, it's gonna expand that ad and make it a little larger, and you can also click from here and see which landing page they're using. And let's go back here and say you wanted to just, instead of looking at a specific company, you wanted to look at HR software to just get a kind of overview of the landscape here. So in this, when you do the keyword search, it's going to give you different companies that are going to be targeting within that industry and space of the keyword. So right here we have Retain. This looks like another kind of resource management software. Kaya Push. So this is a great way again to see overall trends and to get ideas for your creatives. They're using kind of a gift card offer to help with, their lead generation. That can be just an idea, just something to add, to the testing roadmap. You can see kind of there's some, social proof on this ad with some metrics. Coco Inc. is showing, people with a headline and some graphics in the background. So again, it's going to keep populating different ads that we can take a look at, but just wanted to make a quick video to show you if you want to get a sense who's advertising in the space, you can add a keyword. If you want to look at a particular company, you can add that in there to search as well. You can look at different time frames, and I generally have been using this to just get testing ideas, because you're not going to see the data on these competitors. So you don't really know, how this headline has been performing. But if it's a larger competitor and they've been using that same ad for a while, there's a chance that is performing well for them. So you can always add that to your testing roadmap and test something similar. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll answer. Thanks.